Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to check if the content is AI generated. Okay, so before that, let me tell you there are so many AI tools like ChatGPT, GPT-4 or the Google Gemini, and nowadays so many people are trying to generate the content from the AI tools for their day-to-day activities or for any other purpose. Okay, so like everyone needs a original content, and sometimes if you don't get an idea you will get a help from the AI tools. Okay, so I'm not telling like it's a bad to get the content from the AI tools. Okay, but whenever you are doing some kind of research or whenever you are writing some kind of research paper, like you will need to have a original content. Okay, and suppose if you want to check the content is AI generated or not. Okay, there are some tools like where you can check like whether this particular content is generated from the AI. Okay, so what I will do is like I will just take one example. Let's take an example of chat GPT. So I will go to the chat GPT. Okay, and here I will try to generate some kind of content. Okay, um tell me something about um Indian startups uh, in 150 words. Okay, so I will try to generate some content related to this. Tell me something about Indian startups in 150 words. Okay, I will just try to generate some information. Okay, so we have already generated the content with the help of ChatGPT. So now if someone delivers this content to you, and suppose if you want to check this particular content is a original content or if it is a generated through the ChatGPT means, so what you can do is like you can just go to the tool called Quillbot AI content detector. Okay, so what you can do is like you can just copy this content and here you can paste it. Okay, so once you paste it here, you can see analyze the text. So here you can see the percentage. Okay, so now let's try to analyze this particular text. Okay, so here you can see the 100% of the text is likely to be generated with the help of AI. Okay, and if you are generating any content with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, GPT-4 and all. Okay, so here you can detect whether that content is generated with the help of AI or if it is a original content. Okay, so this is how you can check if the content is AI generated. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.